Dear students, how are you all? I think all of you safe at your home. Okay, in the last class we started our second unit. Do you remember that? Yes, what's the name of the unit? Paper boats. What is it? Paper boats. Okay, what we are discussing in our last class, where we stopped our story. Yes, there is a girl named Anna came near to the stream and she launched her paper boats into the stream. Okay, the boats are sailed in the stream very well, but a fat boy came there and he pounced the paper boats and he also upside down the paper boats. Okay, he pulled it and upside down the paper boats. By seeing this, Anna get very angry. She ran to her home and said everything to her aunt. Okay, what she said to her aunt? Yes, the boy came there and do something like that. Okay, he tried to he destroy her paper boats. Okay, what advice the aunt gave to her? What advice Anna's aunt gave to her? Yes, she will make some more paper boats to her. Okay, then Anna says that if he draw or if he broken that paper boats again, what will do? Then aunt says that she will make more paper boats and she will give some paper boats to the boy. Okay, Anna not at all happy. ഓക്കെ എന്തായാലും നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞേ അന്ന ഒരു ദിവസം എന്താണ് ആ സ്ട്രീമിലോട്ട് വരുന്നുണ്ട്, അരുവിൻ്റെ അടുത്തേക്ക് വന്നിട്ട് കുറച്ച് പേപ്പർ ബോട്ട്സൊക്കെ അവൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, അരുവിയിൽ ഒഴിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ആ സമയത്ത് ഒരു ബോയ് വന്നിട്ട് അതെല്ലാം നശിപ്പിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് അല്ലേ. അതെല്ലാം നശിപ്പിച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ അവൾക്ക് എന്തായി, ഭയങ്കര ദേഷ്യം വന്നു. അവൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു, വീട്ടിലോട്ട് ഓടിപ്പോയി. ഓടിച്ചെന്നിട്ട് അവളുടെ ആൻറ്റിയോട് എല്ലാ കാര്യങ്ങളും പറഞ്ഞു. പക്ഷേ ആൻറ്റി എന്തോ, ദ ഓൺ ട്രൈ ടു കൺസോൾ ഹെർ. ആൻറ്റി അവളെ ആശ്വസിപ്പിച്ചു. എന്ത് പറഞ്ഞു, ഞാൻ നിനക്ക് കുറച്ചുകൂടി പേപ്പർ ബോട്ട്സ് ഉണ്ടാക്കി തരാം, നീ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണ്ട, നീ പറയാവണ്ട, നീ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണ്ട, ദേഷ്യപ്പെടേണ്ട, കുഴപ്പമില്ല. അപ്പോൾ അന്നെ പറയാണ് അവൻ വീണ്ടും അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാണ് എന്ത് ചെയ്യും. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ആൻറ്റി പറയാണ് ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് പേപ്പർ ബോട്ട്സ് അവന് ഉണ്ടാക്കി കൊടുക്കാമെന്ന് പറയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, യെസ്, വി നോ ദാറ്റ് ദ ഓൺ ഗിവ് എ ഗുഡ് സജഷൻ for the Anna. Okay, all of you take page number 41. Okay, there you can see a picture. Who are the sitting in that picture? Yes, auntie and Anna. What they are doing there? What the aunt doing? Yes, she is making some paper boats. For what she make the paper boats? Yes, she make the paper boats for Anna and the boy. Is Anna gave the paper boats to the boy? Okay, ഈ ആൻറ്റി ഉണ്ടാക്കി കൊടുക്കുന്ന ഈ പേപ്പർ ബോട്ട്സ് അന്ന കുട്ടിക്ക് കൊടുക്കുമോ? What you are thinking? If Anna gave the paper boats to him, he will accept. Did he accept the paper boats? അവനത് വാങ്ങുമോ അവളുടെ കയ്യിൽ നിന്ന്? Okay, let's check it. Okay, good guidance, a good suggestion. In no time a boat was ready and then a few more. Finally she gave all the boats to Anna and said, here, go and have fun. Okay, within a short time Anna's aunt made lots of paper boats to her and she says that here, go and have fun. Anna, take it and you enjoy with the paper boats. Clutching the boards tightly, Anna started walking hesitantly towards the stream. Clutching the boards tightly, Anna hold all the paper boards very tightly and she started to walk to the stream. Without walking with hesitantly means not interested. മടി പിടിച്ചിട്ട് വലിയ താല്പര്യമില്ലാതെ അവൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു, ആ സ്ട്രീമിൻ്റെ അടുത്തോട്ട് നടന്നു. The boy was still there at this time. He is still there. The boy is still in the stream. He looked at her curiously. The boy looked Anna curiously, doubtfully. He thinks that why this girl came again at here. He thinks something like that. He looked Anna doubtfully or curiously. Anna took out two not so good boards and held them out. Okay, Anna's aunt gave her so many paper boards. She held the paper boards in her arm. From the boards, she take two paper boards. That was not much good. The two boards are not much good, and she take them and hand to him. Here you are. She handed the boards over to the boy without the trace of a smile. Okay, here you are. Okay, keep this. You take this. Anna gave the paper boards to the boy without the trace of a smile. Trace means sign. Without a smile, she handed over the paper boards to the boy. The boy took them and just stood there quietly. He did not know what to say. The boy took them and just stood there. The boy bring the paper boards from Anna and stand undoubtedly or silently. He didn't say anything to Anna. He did not know what to say. Anna, what's the reason for the doubt or the silence of the boy? What's the reason? He felt. What was the feeling of the boy? What was the feeling at that time? The boy. Yes, he felt any sorry for Anna? He felt any sorry for Anna? Yes, he felt maybe he felt sorry for Anna for the earlier actions he done to her. Okay. In earlier time, he bounced Anna's paper board into the stream and he turned or he upside down and he pulled the paper boards and upside down. Okay, Anna get angry at that time. Okay, then at this time he felt some sorry for Anna. Maybe he felt some sorry for Anna. Okay, let's check the remaining part in our another class. Okay, all of you take page number 48. All of you take page number 48. So you can see an activity number 5. Complete the paragraph using the suitable words given in the box. Okay, they have a small paragraph, but some parts of the paragraph is missing. You have to find out the words from the boxes and place it in the proper area. Okay, in the box you can see some words: he, she, it, his, her, they. Okay, you must place these words in the correct places. Okay, we will meet in next class. Okay, thank you.